this is Mike Callahan. In this chapter, we're going to build a UI using HTML and the Ionic framework. I'll start by showing you a demo of the finished application, and then gradually build it from scratch over the next few lessons. The application we'll be building throughout the course is called Attendance. It is an attendance application originally designed to help Sunday school teachers keep track of the students in their classes. Initially, the app will consist of 3 pages: a home page, a class roster page, and a student detail page. A side menu will let the users easily navigate between the home and class roster pages. We'll review how the menu is built and how navigation is configured to move from page to page. Naturally, the home page is where the application will start. There isn't much here but an Ion card component. We'll go over the basics of this component to display an image and some text information about the application. The roster page displays the students registered to the class and contains the majority of the Ionic components we'll use. The students are collectively displayed using an Ion list, with each list item consisting of Ion items, Ion buttons, Ion icons, and more. We'll spend most of our time in the chapter covering this page as we flesh out its functionality with action sheets, alerts, and toast notifications. Finally, the student detail page is where we can view and edit various details about a single student. We'll eventually use this page to discuss Ionic forms. In this chapter, all we'll do is lay out the components and bind some data to them. At each step of the way, I will explain the components I've selected and then provide the code that implements them. I hope you're as eager as I am, so let's get started.